So there are a few things in your entrepreneurial journey that will help you more than learning to copyright well. Okay, if you can copyright well, you can convince people to buy. Okay, and it's very, very important. To give you a quote from Russel Brunson, copywriting is what made me rich. Okay, this is Russel Brunson talking. It has more impact on how much money you will make with your company than anything else. Stay tuned. So before we get started, I want to tell you about an exclusive group of entrepreneurs that I'm a part of. Go and check the link in the description below. You definitely want to check that out. All right, so let's go over this copywriting secrets thing. If you've not heard of Copywriting Secrets, this is a book by Jim Edwards, and it's a really good book on writing copy. This guy he lived in a trailer in the 90s, and as he was trying to build his business and figure things out, when the internet was still on dial-up. And he's, over 20 years, he's became very, very successful at copy. Now he, teaches other people to write copy. Take a look at this quote from Russel Brunson. Copywriting is what made me rich. It has more impact on how much money you make with your company than anything else. Don't ignore the copywriting aspect as an entrepreneur. I wish that I had learned copywriting so much earlier than I have. And I would be probably far better than I even am now. So definitely take a look at this. There's a book option. There's an audiobook upsell. There's another $99 upsell, in there. And then there's a significantly higher upsell. I think it's $800. But anyway, there's some options. And if you go down here, like that was his trailer that he lived in, and this guy's, this guy's worked himself from the ground up. He works with Russel Brunson, and he's teaching people how to make more money by, the words they choose and how they choose to, impact the emotional, aspect of the reader. So, to compel them to buy. So anyway, so check this out. Really good stuff. And then one of the things that they lead into is this, it's the Funnel Scripts webinar. So once you watch the webinar, they're going to upsell you to a masterclass, basically an online training, and it's really, really good training on how to develop your funnel scripts and the aspects that go into really, really good copy. So yeah, check that out. Hey, before you go, make sure you check that link in the description below for that elite entrepreneur group that I told you about at the beginning of the video. You do not want to miss that. Go check it out.